Anya pa ni Brian Brett, farming is a profession of hope. Sa henerasyong ito, mas mataas ang tingin sa taong nakasuot ng Amerikana kaysa sa taong may putik sa paa. Madalas, ang pagsasaka ay tinitingnang huling opsyon. Isang propesyong iniiwasan, minamaliit, at minsan, mismong mga magsasaka pa ang nag-a-advise sa kanilang mga anak na huwag sundan ang yapak nila. Ngunit paano kung ang pag-asa ay hindi nasa loob ng opisina, kundi nasa lupa? Sa Baguio District ng Davao City, ang pag-asa ay may pangalan, Makatabo Farm. Isang bukiring hindi lamang nagtatanim ng pagkain, kundi nagtatanim ng kaalaman, kabuhayan at dignidad. Ang Makatabo Farm ay matatagpuan sa Baguio District, Davao City. Isa itong rehistradong learning site for agriculture sa ilalim ng Agricultural Training Institute ng Department of Agriculture.
So I am Mr. Bong Cajes, or they call me Bong. And who is Makatabo? So the Makatabo is under the name of my father, Macario Cajes Talibon Bohol. This is 890 feet above sea level and 8 hectares. So learning site by ATI or Agriculture Training Institute, Department of Agriculture, Region 11. It is a good agricultural practices certified. We have the certificate and also licensed to operate by the National Dairy Authority as dairy farm. Who is Makatabo and Makatabo about us? We started in 2012. This is our business, the Brian's Bake Shop. In 2013 is a dairy farming. 2016, banana lakatan, and organic farming in 2016. 19, Vetea cakes. 2021 is poultry, no chicken and quail. And the Makatabo provisions, ito. Sorts of a restaurant, at the same time training hall. And then provision is from the word of God's provide. Okay? So it is a Casa Juanita. This is after the name of my mother. A tiny cabin, also good for 2 accommodations. We have also the projects from other government. This is a Lawa at Binhi, which is a fish pond, tilapia, supported by the Department of Bureau of Fisheries and the DSWD. We have also milking process or milk processing in Cafe Macari.
Dito, ang bukid ay silid-aralan, ang magsasaka ay guro, at ang karanasan ang mismong kaalaman.
I follow. Hindi ako nagreklamo sa government. I follow their standard. Until such time, okay, pwede na ito, certified na. And this is what the award that the governments support. Hindi na ako nag-effort pa talaga na i-advertise ang aming provisions or farm. The government itself is helping me and helping our organizations to sustain our farm.
Dito rin lumaki si Genovivo Bong Cajes, ang taong nasa likod ng Makatabo Farm. Anak siya ng mga leader ng komunidad, mga taong malalim ang ugnayan sa serbisyo publiko at agrikultura.
But before that, during my childhood, the really persons that influenced me is our parents. Number one, no, our parents. Although we are not working as hard as the workers talaga, but exposing to the farm really helps us.
Hindi siya hinubog ng bukid sa pamamagitan ng pamimilit. Sa halip, hinubog siya ng pagkakalantad sa lupa, sa disiplina at sa simpleng pamumuhay.
Ibang dinadala kami, bata pa kami, dinadala kami doon sa farm at wala kaming magawa, kundi kumain lang ng prutas, utos-utusan lang, ng mga ganyan, putol-putol, hakot-hakot ng mga damo, ganyan lang. But yun ang hindi ko makalimutan. Yun ang tumatak sa aking isipan na may experience ako ng ganyan.
Pinili ni Bong ang landas na tinatawag ng lipunan na sigurado. Naging nurse, naging operating room staff, naging medical representative. Sa mata ng marami, ito na ang tagumpay. Ngunit hindi lahat ng tagumpay ay nagbibigay ng saysay. Habang patuloy ang kanyang paglalakbay bilang magsasaka, Unti-unti ring nahubog ang kanyang pananaw tungkol sa pamana, hindi lamang na lupa kundi ng paraan ng pamumuhay.
I did not somehow encourage him to become a farmer, but I tried to influence his heart how to live as a farmer.
Dito natin makikita, hindi niya kinamuhian ang corporate life. Ngunit hindi niya rin ito tinuring na wakas. Sa kabila ng posisyon at kita, pinili ni Bong na bumalik sa pagsasaka. Hindi dahil may katiyakan, kundi dahil may paniniwala. Nagsimula siya sa maliit, isang lumang taniman ng saging. Isang ani ay halos 4 na tonelada. Mula rito, unti-unting lumawak ang Makatabo Farm. Gulayan, paggawaan ng gatas, poultry, panaderya at farm-to-table na kainan. Ngunit hindi naging madali ang lahat. Kinailangan niya mag-aral muli. Hindi sa classroom, kundi sa lupa.
The technology of farming right now, we have a smart farming. You can go farming while you are outside of your farm. You can produce others vegetables, even you are to manage. But you engage in farming, the technologies and the practices. That is why, kunti na lang, in the census that we have, ang pinaka bata na farming namin nag-engage is 50 years old.
Sa bawat pagkakamali, may bagong kaalaman. Sa bawat problema, may mas matibay na paninindigan. Sa Makatabo Farm, hindi minamadali ang ani. Ang kaligtasan ng tao ay mas mahalaga kaysa sa tubo. Dito nagiging malinaw. Ang responsableng magsasaka ay may konsensya.
Good agricultural practices is under the executive order or the programs of the government. Good agricultural practices means food safety and safety of the worker. It's because it is not an organic, but it is a food safety. Like for example, we call it responsible farming or responsible farmer. Yun bang, we do spray chemicals, but not that is so more hazardous to the human. We only use light chemicals for our consumptions of the human. So like for example, the chemicals that we use is very, very slight, and it is, we call it, mawawala sa kanyang ang residue niya in 7 days. So we spray that because of the insecticide, but after 7 days, pwede mo na kainin. The responsible farming is like that. You cannot give it or sell it, the vegetables, na hindi pa naangkop doon sa chemical vanish or nawawala lang. So like for example, the chemical is na-sprayhan mo ng Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, hindi mo pwede yan i-harvest. Only on the next Monday. So that is called responsible farming. Hindi yung spray ka ngayon, tapos ibenta mo bukas. That is harmful to the... That is why yan ang di-promote ng government. And also, the chemicals that we use, the safety of the farmer. We were not allowing our workers to spray with bare hands, without mask, without boots, also for their protection. So that is one of the very, very, very crucial requirements of the GAP. Safety of the worker and safety of the consumer. So it is really, really a very important for us kasi kaya marami ng mga sakit ang tao dahil grabe ang spray, chemicals ng mga gulay natin.
Sa Makatabo Farm, hindi lamang ani ang inaani. Ang bukid ay naging lugar ng trabaho para sa maraming kasapi ng komunidad, lalo na mga katutubo sa karatig lugar. Hindi ito simpleng empleyo, isa itong pagbabahagi ng kaalaman at pagbubukas ng oportunidad. Ayon pa sa isang interview galing kay Andy Cabantao, the farm has created jobs and helped improve the community's economy and food security. Sa pamamagitan ng trabaho at pagsasanay, ang kaalamang natutunan sa bukid ay naiuuwi pabalik sa komunidad. Dito, ang pagsasaka ay hindi lamang kabuhayan. Ito ay nagiging tulay para sa mas ligtas na pagkain at mas matatag na pamumuhay.
That is why he resigned as BDO employee after 3 years, and they come up into a business, and their family is living here na. So, yun lang ang nagawa ko sa anak ko, na na-influence na rin siya na how to live in a farm, in the living a life of a farmer.
Hindi pinilit ngunit may pumiling sumunod. Ang Makatabo Farm ay naging pamana ng pamilya, hindi lamang negosyo.
I started early. Started in urban farming. Like for example, in your own house, you can plant onion in your own house by potting. You can also anything, no? Ginger, lahat ng mga klaseng gulay na pwede niyong itanim. Start early. Why? It's because when you succeed this small type of urban farming, you can go on a large scale. Remember, there is no religion in eating vegetables. Walang religion yan, so walang bawal. Ibig sabihin, lahat tayo ay kumakain ng vegetables. Number 2, to sustain our country is to eat vegetables. And also, encourage young farmers like you to go on farming. Not really nasabihin kung pabayaan ninyo sa profession ninyo. You can go your professions at the same time farming. Mas maganda yung nakapagpatubo kayo ng kamatis na 5 puno at namunga at kayo ang kumain, kayong pamilya mo ang nag-harvest. Masarap ang feeling ng isang anak o isang bata o isang farmer, isang young professional, that while they were doing your digital works, entrepreneurships and business, you were hands-on, you were also hands-on on the soil, on doing farming in the small pot, but also, nakapagbigay ng buhay sa inyong kusina.
Ang kwento ng Makatabo Farm ay kwento ng pagpili. Pagpiling bumalik, pagpiling magtiyaga, pagpiling magbahagi. Sa panahong pinagdududahan ang pagsasaka, pinatunayan ni Genovevo Bong Cajes na ang lupa ay patuloy na pinagmumulan ng pag-asa. Tunay nga, ang pagsasaka ay isang propesyon ng pag-asa.
Well, thank you po.
Happy farming!
Happy farming.
Go on farming, but if you want to go on farming, go Makatabo. You learn a lot. And I could guarantee your good future.